Hello, Stephen here. I am on location at Janelle's Fancy Beach Cottage. So this is a math problem that this one's got something for everybody. For the math lovers and for the people that like math, that maybe haven't taken a lot of math yet, but can still delve into some good problems. This is one of my favorites, and I am on location at Janelle's Fancy Beach Cottage, and I can actually prove it for you. As I turn the screen around, you can kind of see in the background that I am on the coast as we speak. So this is a great opportunity for me to show you one of my problems. Okay, this is the solution to the problem. And Janelle has a beach cottage, and there are I believe 300 rooms. The basic room is $275 a night. They have discount rooms that are a little less. They have fancy and VIP rooms. So the question is, if all the rooms are occupied, what is the maximum nightly revenue of Janelle's Beach Cottage? Okay, of course, revenue is the amount of money the hotel would take in a night. So, all right, so we have the basic room at $275 a night times 120 rooms. So all those rooms being occupied would be $33,000. Okay. Okay, the discount rooms are 5.5% less than 275. So to calculate that, I go 275 minus 0.055, or 5.5% off of 275, which is 259.88. And of course, I'm doing this with the calculator. A little bit laborious to do this by hand. So we have 259.88 times 80 rooms, 20,790.40. Okay. The fancy rooms rent for 125% more. So 100% meaning double the price, but 125% more than those discount rooms. So the fancy rooms rent for $259.88 plus 125%, or 1.25 times 259.88, or $584.73 a night. Oh, pretty nice room. Okay, so the fancy rooms would rent for $584.73 a night times the 70 rooms, yielding a revenue of $40,931.10. The VIP rooms rent for 85% more than the fancy rooms. So the calculation is the same, $584.73 plus 85% more of the 584 yields $1,081.75 a night times the 30 rooms is the $32,000, just north of $32,000 in revenue. So the maximum nightly revenue of Janelle's Fancy Hotel would be the basic rooms, $33,000, plus the discount rooms, plus the fancy rooms, plus the VIP rooms. So $127,174, that would be the most, basically the revenue for full occupancy at Janelle's Fancy Hotel. So again, we're live on the Oregon coast at Janelle's Fancy Beach Cottage.